problems. This is the third example. Also, I'm recording, so I need for you all to answer questions as they come for you. All right. So, Miss Davis, unmute yourself and read the question, please. 364. Huh? Two first. Yeah. Do what? 364, sample problem 12.4. Ready? Does anyone else have 364? You do you? All right, will you read it out loud, please? Read out loud, you're good. Electrolysis. All right, thank you. So you all recall when I said that the first thing you do is look at the equation and determine whether or not it's balanced. They give you the balanced equation here. So the balanced equation is 2H2O yielding 2H2 plus O2. All right. So this is your given. This is your question. It says, how many molecules? How many molecules are produced? How many molecules of O2 are produced? So the first thing that you're going to do is you start out with what you're given. In this case, you're given 2.92 grams H2O, and you're trying to get to O2. So in order to do that, you've got to convert that 29.2 grams of O2 to moles. So you've got oxygen, which has a mass of 16, hydrogen, which has a mass of 2. That means that your atomic mass here is 18. That's equal to 1 mole H2O. And now we can just go from mole to mole because what we have to compare is this H2O to this O2. So for every 2 moles H2O, we produce 1 mole of O2. So when we're going from moles of H2O to moles of O2, we know that 1 mole of O2 has a mass. Wait a second. I'm sorry. Not mass. Has a certain number of molecules in it. How many molecules does 1 mole of anything have in it? Good. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And that's molecules. That's molecules of O2. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, divide the top by the bottom. Give you all a chance to finish writing that down on the stop. 4.88 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of O2. Oh, wow. All right, last problem, then I'll be quiet. All right. So on the next problem, it says nitrogen monoxide, oxygen gas, a brown gas. This is page 365. The equation they give you is 2 NO plus O2 yielding 2 NO2. You should always check to see if your equation is balanced. After that, then you can solve your work. It says how many liters of nitrogen dioxide are produced when you have 34 liters of O2. So you start out with your 34 liters of O2. You're looking for NO2. That's where your question mark is. So 34, we're going to go from liters to moles. So 22.4 liters of any gas is 1 mole That's 1 mole of 2. And now we're going to do our comparison. So, for every 1 mole of O2, you produce 2 moles of NO2. And then for every 1 mole of NO2, you produce 22.4 liters of you multiply 34, these guys cancel out. Multiply 34 times 1 times 2 times 22.4. Then it's going to be 22.4 times 1 times 1. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, divide the top by the bottom, and you get what? 64 or 68? You should get 68 liters of NO2. You all can do those. That is the end of chapter or section 2. Signing off. Make sure you all wash your hands, stay safe, and be clean. See you next time.